September 10 is World Suicide Prevention Day, and we here at St. Paul's College have something to share with you. Hi, my name is Vijay, and I'm a final year BA student here at St. Paul's College. Suicide is not exactly as it is shown in films or TV serials. It is not even how we have heard about it or even thought about it. In reality, suicide is a complex phenomenon. It has to do as much with your brain as it has to do with environmental factors. Now, you might ask me, how is your brain connected to you having suicidal thoughts? Well, there is a chemical called serotonin in your brain, and researchers have shown that lower level of serotonin can lead to suicidal thoughts, and these can be corrected with the right medications. So never shy away from seeking medical help when it comes to suicide. Now, I know that might have been very technical for you, but let's go to Pranath to understand more about the other factors that might push one towards suicide.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವಿಜಿತ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ಪ್ರಣತ್. ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಊರು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಮನೆ, ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸಂಸಾರ. ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ, 22 ವರ್ಷದ ಮಗ. ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಲವ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕಪ್, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಗಲಾಟೆ. ಈ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಸೂಸೈಡ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ನಗು, ಮನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದವನು ಆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ತರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಎಸ್, ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾಮನ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬನು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಕಾಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ ಕಾಸ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಕಾಸನ್ನ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೊಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಆ ಯುವಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ 3 ಜನನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದರಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಸಾಧಿಸೋ ಛಲ ಹುಟ್ಟುತ್ತೆ. ಸಾಧಿಸೋ ಛಲದ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಝೀರೋ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸಾವು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಂತ್ಯನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Even when we don't have experts available at our hands, we can help people by providing a caring environment that will help us to deal with the big problem of suicide. I said care, a caring environment. And I would like to expand on that word care, where C stands for connect. It's our ability and our willingness to connect with people. People who are isolated, people who need our listening ears, people who are depressed. And A stands for ask. Ask the people to open up. Ask them to share their feelings, their thoughts. And thirdly, it is R. R stands for respond. We respond to them by providing a listening, empathetic, non-judgmental ears to the people who want to share their thoughts and their feelings. We respond to them by consoling them. We respond to them by encouraging them to seek expert help if needed. And finally, E. And E stands for empower. Empower the person to get in touch with oneself. Empower the person to deal with the daily challenges of life. I said, we provide care. And if we can together provide a caring environment, we can put a stop to suicide.